Hey there, welcome to the review room. I'm Jim.
And I'm Brita.
And we are doing something a little different today. We're changing gears up. We are unboxing BlueBearBox of Amazon returns, I guess you'd say, right? So stick with us and let's see what's inside this thing. Alright, welcome back, and here we are, getting ready to unbox the BlueBearBox. I made a purchase on Amazon. She doesn't know about it.
$100 purchase.
No, it was actually an $11 purchase.
What?
Yep, these, I know, it's not someone like me. These are slice box cutters. Here you go, my darling. So, let's give them a shot. We don't know what's in here. We haven't unboxed it. We haven't looked at it. We just got it in the mail the other day. Took a little while to get it. We can talk about that later, I suppose. But
we've seen a few videos online about unboxing mystery boxes, so we thought we'd get one. We don't know what's in here, but what do you think is in here?
I'm hoping some good stuff. Maybe some electronics, 2 or 3 laptops. I don't know, keys to a new car.
Laptops.
I don't know. I'll take anything I can get.
I mean, I'll take like a Gucci purse or something.
Hopefully it's not used underwear, but this is the first one for us, so we'll see. So we got the Bluebird thank you letter here. All right. We got a real thin layer of bubble. And as we dig into this, we're gonna move, there you go.
This is what the box looks like after we opened it.
Yeah.
Do you want to put that on the
Yeah, I'll put this on the floor so we can see what we're
Kind of
dealing with.
exciting. It's just like Christmas, and it's Christmas Eve.
All right, you ready? It is Christmas Eve. Happy almost Christmas. All right, here's the first one. Oh my, what would that be?
What is it?
It's a RoboVac X. Wow.
Awesome.
Okay.
Oh. All right.
All right, that doesn't look too bad. It's better than I expected. I'm tingling with anticipation. I gotta say, it's more than I thought it'd be in here. I was expecting to be underwear and socks, but you never know.
I'm having trouble finding it. Why don't you see if you can get it?
Yeah, let's see. Oh, here it is. I had to go to their website, and it is $99.99.
Nice.
I'll take it. Is it, open it up and see if it's actually what's in there.
Oh yeah, you always have to check what's in the box.
Well, it looks like it's all in wrapping. Everything looks like it's going to be in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
$100.
First fine.
I am not complaining. Here you go, hon. All right. Are you ready? I could probably get into this. Next one. What's that? Top static?
Top static. It might be a pair of shoes.
I'm scared to look.
And it's a pair of shoes.
Oh my.
Size 6.
Are they new? Oh, you're size 9, aren't you?
They are new. Yeah, I'm 9. Yeah.
Nice. What was that? Can you pull those up and see what they are?
Let's see what we got.
All right. And the anticipation just builds.
$23.49.
$23. I'll take it. All right, so we're up at 123. She's a number girl. She loves numbers. And the next, this will definitely not fit me or you, is a shirt. What does that say? Wild Fable. There's a barcode there. Can we scan that? It says $5 on it, so I'm thinking that's probably about right. BCI, small, $5. Yeah, it didn't come up there, but it shows $5 on the tag, so we're gonna call that probably good there. All right. Next, we have a Coach phone case. Got a little excited for a minute. It looked like a phone case itself. I'm like, well, huh?
Interesting.
Yeah. Well, let's see what that thing costs there. I mean, the last one was $5. We can do better now, I think, this time, right? All right. Probably near $5 to $10. I'll take a guess. $10. Hey, that's $10. I'll take it. So where's that put us at?
We'll have to put the counter up.
Yeah, we'll put a counter up here and showing what we're totaling as we go. All right. This is a Phone Soap Go, battery powered, UV sanitizer and charger. All right. Is there a barcode in this thing? There is. There is no. None. Look up Soap Go. Soap phone, soap, and go. Yeah. All right, that looks to me new in the box. I'm not going to open that up because it's already sealed.
Looks
but
like it is $59.95.
$59.95. I'll take that. Very nice. I gotta say, so far I'm kind of impressed. I was a little nervous getting this box online. It took me a while to get it. It took about 2.5, 3 weeks to get it here, and I contacted customer service with an email. I got no response. Then I talked to chat, and somebody responded. It took a little while, but they finally got back with me. And so far, I'm pretty happy with it. All right. Oh my. And here are some type of winter boots. You just bought some winter boots, didn't you?
I did just buy winter boots, and they actually look similar to what I bought.
Here.
Let's take one off.
Yeah, definitely. All right.
Pescool. All right.
What size are those?
I don't think they're my size.
Let's see what we got here. Hold on.
Oh, 39.
39 and an 1/8. Well, that's definitely not your size. Let's see what we got here. Maybe. And a barcode, maybe not so much. And it gave me a buck. That's not right. All right, so we'll come back, let you know what we find what this is afterwards, and throw a little spot up here. Oh, I guess we're in the shoe business now. And here are, I'd say, some type of sandal croc knockoff. Huh. Here you go, hon. They're all new though, so everything we've got out of here has been new. So that's been a good thing. $9?
$10.
Yep, $10
Cloud
there.
waterproof sandals.
Waterproof sandals. Who doesn't need a pair of waterproof sandals? And I got a bag of something here. Not sure what this is. Want to dig into that? There's an opening there, I think.
4XL.
4X. I am definitely not a 4X. So I'm kind of creeping up there a little bit.
No? See.
Oh my.
Looks like a nice warm vest, good quality.
Huh.
Oh, and there's a start on it.
Oh,
This is probably a heated vest.
It looks like a heated vest.
I mean, that's pretty cool.
Definitely. Is there a tag on it? Huh.
It's from China. Go figure.
Yeah. But still, I love the idea, right?
But there's no tag on it.
Well, we'll have to dig into this a little bit more.
All right.
We'll, I don't know, we'll see if we can find out how much it cost and the details about it, but it looks new, it's still in the bag. Nice. I'll take it. And we have one more item left. So this is a $100 box. The last item is a Crane humidifier.
Let's see.
Yeah.
What is
And
it?
let's see what that comes up to. I mean, who doesn't need a humidifier, right? Yeah, it's not pulling up. Well, no, not pulling up. But we'll let you know when we find it. We have to do a
it
little
could
bit
be
of
about
digging.
$50.
We may have to do a little digging, probably about 20 to 50, somewhere in there. We'll find out. We'll let you know in the little end of it here.
Oh, I think it's a pretty good box.
No, I agree. I think, you know, I had no idea what to expect. We've watched our share of videos like everybody else has.
We've watched quite a few.
We're contemplating. I'm thinking this next week we may go down and get a pallet. So that may be coming. I have one more box coming from a different company, which I will share when it gets here. But $100, I would say minimum we doubled our money on this. And you can't complain about that. We'll give the totals in, running total on the side, let you know where we come out at that at the end of the video. And no, I would say the Bluebird was not a bad choice. Everything was new, nothing was used, and yeah, it came out good. It was worth the purchase. What do you think? Yep, I'd say it's a yes. Well, we're back for a moment. Thought we'd give a little recap. I gotta say, not impressed with the box. I will probably not do another Bluebird box. I felt like the shoes and any clothes there, we found some of them on Temu, so I thought they were Temu items, not Amazon. And the rest of the stuff, the vacuum itself, very cheap, and I would never buy it myself. The only thing I think was decent was the phone case, which is a Coach, and the phone sanitizer. It looked decent, but it is a 2018 model. So definitely, I would not give thumbs up to Bluebird. I would not do it again. Again, it took me 3 weeks to get the box, and I finally got it, and I am totally disappointed. So I do have another box from another company coming in. Don't recall the name of it, but I'm sure we'll do a video on that when we get here. Hopefully not as disappointing, and we'll let you know if we do a pallet. But just want to give a recap. I think if we sold everything, we might break even. Maybe.
$100 maybe.
But I think we'll probably fall short, to be honest. I don't think we're going to sell it all and break even. So I just wanted to give a quick video and instead of shout out. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there's that person out there. Maybe it will. I don't foresee it. But I wouldn't do Bluebird. I would not promote it. And I'm pretty disappointed with it. So.
But it was only one box, and you are taking a risk when you buy these boxes.
You are. And you're always hoping to get that one item that makes it worthwhile. But it's frustrating when you just break even. So that being said, we haven't broke even yet. We're in a whole $100, so we'll see if we can get any of it back, right?
It's not going to break us, so it's okay.
No, we're good. It was like pulling a slot machine, and
it was kind of fun.
It was fun doing it. So we'll probably do a different box later, definitely. Maybe some other company, and we'll throw a video on here and see what you think. So thanks for viewing, and we'll catch you later.